Hi everyone, Ruhul Amin here. Your trusted digital marketer, Photoshop expert, and founder of Raminhub and Raminmark. Welcome back to my channel, where we review the latest and greatest in beard trimmers and grooming tools. Today, I've got an exciting product to share with you, the BaBylissPRO FX799MB beard trimmer. Let's find out if this grooming tool lives up to the hype. Alright, let's start with the basics. The BaBylissPRO FX799MB comes in a compact package with dimensions of 9.65 by 5.47 by 3.43 inches and weighs just 1.72 pounds. Inside the box, you'll find the trimmer itself, a charging cable, one lithium-ion battery, and a detailed user manual. Here are some quick specs. Model number, FX799MB. Battery, 1 lithium-ion battery included. UPC, 074108477705. Country of origin, China. Manufacturer, BaBylissPRO. It's a solid product ranking 25,398 in beauty and personal care on Amazon. Let's dig deeper into its performance. Design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice is its premium build quality. The BaBylissPRO FX799MB is designed with professionals in mind, featuring a sturdy yet lightweight construction. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended grooming sessions. The sleek black and silver finish adds a touch of sophistication to your grooming routine. When it comes to performance, this trimmer does not disappoint. Here's what stands out. Precision cutting. The FX799MB features ultra-sharp blades for a precise trim every time. Whether you're shaping your beard, maintaining stubble, or going for a clean neckline, this trimmer handles it all. Battery life. With the included lithium-ion battery, you get long-lasting power, making it ideal for travel or professional use. A single charge provides up to 2 hours of continuous use. Versatility. It's perfect for various grooming needs, from beard trimming to touch-ups on hairlines and sideburns. Ease of cleaning. The detachable blade system makes cleaning a breeze, ensuring hygiene and performance over time. Real-world usage. To give you a real-world perspective, I've been using the BaBylissPRO FX799MB for 2 weeks. Here's my verdict. The trimming experience is smooth and effortless. It's quiet, efficient, and doesn't tug or pull at hair. Plus, its lightweight design makes it comfortable to maneuver, even for detailed work. Let's quickly sum up the pros and cons. Pros: high precision and sharp blades. Long battery life. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Easy to clean. Cons: slightly higher price compared to competitors. Limited accessories included in the package. Who is this for? If you're a professional barber or someone serious about grooming, the BaBylissPRO FX799MB is a worthy investment. Its premium build and performance justify the price. However, if you're on a budget, you might want to explore other options. So, there you have it, my detailed review of the BaBylissPRO FX799MB beard trimmer. If you're interested in purchasing this fantastic grooming tool, check out the link in the description below. Today, we're reviewing a product that's set to revolutionize your grooming routine, the King C. Gillette Cordless Beard Trimmer for Men. Whether you're rocking a stubble, a short beard, or going for that long, full look, this kit promises precision and style. So, let's jump into it. This grooming kit has everything you need to achieve your perfect look. Here's what's included. The cordless beard trimmer itself, lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to handle. 3 interchangeable combs. A stubble comb for a neat 1mm trim. A short beard comb adjustable between 3 to 11mm. A long beard comb ranging from 13 to 21mm. A cleaning brush and charger for effortless maintenance. A stylish travel bag for grooming on the go. Now let's see this trimmer in action. The sharp blades ensure consistent performance with no pulling or snagging. Plus, the cordless design provides up to 50 minutes of runtime on a single charge, perfect for quick touch-ups or detailed styling. Pros: versatile comb options for all beard styles. Cordless design with a reliable battery. Durable, sharp blades for consistent grooming results. Washable components for easy maintenance. Cons: runtime might feel short for extended grooming sessions. Doesn't include oil for blade maintenance. Overall, this trimmer is a fantastic choice for anyone serious about grooming. Whether you're at home or on the move, the King C. Gillette Cordless Beard Trimmer has you covered. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Raminmark for more product reviews. Today, we're reviewing the Conair Men All-in-One Trimmer. It's a complete 16-piece grooming kit that promises precision and convenience. If you're looking for a versatile, rechargeable, and shower-proof trimmer, stay tuned. We'll go over its features, test it in action, and see if it's worth your money. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest grooming tech. Inside the box, you'll get 8 guide combs, perfect for different trimming styles. 5-position adjustable comb, great for precision trimming. 3 jawline combs, helps define sharp beard lines. 2 body grooming combs, designed for chest and body hair. 2 manscaping combs, keeps private areas trimmed safely. USB-C charging cord, universal and fast charging. Storage pouch, easy to carry for travel. The trimmer itself has a sleek black design with a rubberized grip, making it super comfortable to hold. The shower-proof feature is a game-changer, allowing you to trim in the shower with no mess. First impressions? It feels solid in hand with a premium rubber grip. Let's check out the real performance. Now, let's talk about performance. Shower-proof and non-slip grip. One of the best things about this trimmer is that it's fully shower-proof. Plus, the rubberized grip gives you full control, even when your hands are wet. Powerful lithium-ion battery. The 5-hour runtime on a single charge is impressive. Most trimmers in this price range last only 1 to 2 hours, but this one goes the extra mile. Versatile attachments. With 16 accessories, you can switch seamlessly between beard trimming, body grooming, and nose hair removal. Precision cutting. The stainless steel blades give you a smooth, close trim without irritation. Whether you're lining up your beard or tidying body hair, the results are sharp and precise. Now, let's test it out on different areas. Beard trimming. The 5-position adjustable comb lets you trim at different lengths. Jawline and mustache. The 3 jawline combs help shape the beard with precision. Nose and ear hair. The special trimmer head is gentle but effective. Body grooming. The shower-proof design allows for wet and dry use, which is a huge plus. The trimming is smooth, with no pulling or irritation. The powerful motor cuts through thick hair effortlessly. Battery and charging. Battery life is super important, and the Conair trimmer doesn't disappoint. With a 5-hour runtime, you won't have to worry about frequent charging. It uses a universal USB-C cable, which is super convenient. Pros. Versatile 16-piece kit for full grooming. Showerproof and no-slip grip for easy use in wet conditions. Long 5-hour battery life with USB-C charging. Smooth and precise trimming with no irritation. Lightweight and travel-friendly. Multifunctional grooming kit, beard, nose, body, and manscaping. Cons. Not ideal for extremely thick beards. May need multiple passes. No LED display. Hard to track battery life. No travel pouch included. Some attachments might take time to switch. Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. This trimmer is perfect for men who need an all-in-one grooming solution. Frequent travelers, compact and easy to pack. Men who prefer shower-proof grooming tools. Those who want a rechargeable trimmer with a long battery life. So, is the Conair Men All-in-One Trimmer worth it? Absolutely. If you want a reliable grooming kit with multiple attachments, a waterproof design, and a strong battery, this is a great choice. If you're someone with a super thick beard, you might want to go for a more powerful professional-grade trimmer. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you a detailed review of the ConairMAN Simple Cut 10-piece haircut kit. Let's dive in! A 10-piece home haircut kit designed for precision, convenience, and versatility. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-quality solution for at-home haircuts, this might just be the product for you. First off, let's see what you get in the box. The ConairMAN Simple Cut Kit is packed with everything you need to cut and style hair right at home. Here's what's included. The electric hair clipper, which is dual voltage and corded for consistent power. 4 comb attachments for different hair lengths, perfect for fades, trims, and general styling. A barber comb and barber scissors for detailing and finishing touches. A blade guard, cleaning brush, and oil to keep the clipper in top condition. This kit really does include everything but the barber, making it ideal for home use. That's everything you need for a professional quality haircut at home. Right out of the box, you can tell that Conair has focused on simplicity and convenience with this kit. Let's talk about the design and build quality. The hair clipper itself feels durable and well-built. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use. The blades are made of high-quality metal, providing precision and reliability. While it's not as heavy-duty as professional-grade clippers, it's perfect for home use. When it comes to performance, the ConairMAN Simple Cut delivers impressive results. The motor is powerful enough to handle various hair types without pulling or snagging. The 4 comb attachments allow you to customize the length of your cut easily, ranging from short to medium styles. It's a straightforward and beginner-friendly device, making it ideal for those who are new to home grooming. The included accessories make maintaining your clipper a breeze. The cleaning brush helps remove loose hairs, and the lubricating oil keeps the blades running smoothly. Remember to clean and oil your clipper after every use to ensure its longevity and optimal performance. Now, let's talk about value. Priced affordably, the ConairMAN Simple Cut 10-piece haircut kit offers excellent bang for your buck. It's not only cost-effective but also saves you frequent trips to the barber. For a one-time investment, you can achieve professional quality results at home. Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons. Pros: affordable and beginner-friendly. Durable design with high-quality blades. Complete kit with all essential accessories. Compact and lightweight for easy storage. Cons: corded design limits mobility. Not as powerful as professional-grade clippers. Overall, the pros far outweigh the cons, making this kit a solid choice for home grooming. And that wraps up our review of the ConairMAN Simple Cut 10-piece haircut kit. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and beginner-friendly grooming tool, this kit is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Hi there! Are you tired of juggling multiple grooming tools for your face, body, and hair? Well, say goodbye to the hassle and hello to the PHILIPS Norelco Multigroom 9000, the ultimate all-in-one grooming solution for men. In today's video, we'll explore why this precision trimmer should be your next must-have tool. Stick around, because you don't want to miss this. The PHILIPS Norelco Multigroom 9000 isn't just any trimmer, it's a game changer. This grooming kit comes with 18 versatile attachments, including a precision trimmer, foil shaver, nose and ear trimmer, and adjustable guards. Whether you're styling your beard, trimming body hair, or maintaining a polished look, this tool has got you covered. Plus, its dual-cut titanium blades ensure unmatched sharpness and durability, giving you precise results every time. And the best part? It's shower-proof, so you can use it conveniently even while you're in the shower. Let's dive deeper into some of its standout features. 18-in-1 Grooming Kit. With 18 attachments, you can achieve any look you desire. From detailed beard styling to quick trims, it's all in the palm of your hand. Titanium-coated blades. Dual-cut technology ensures the blade stays sharp for longer, giving you a smooth and even cut every time. 6-hour battery life. Say goodbye to frequent recharging. This trimmer runs for an impressive 6 hours on a single charge, perfect for travel and extended use. Shower-proof design. Cleaning up has never been easier. Simply rinse it under water after use for a hassle-free experience. Ergonomic handle. The stainless steel handle with rubber grips provides optimal control, making every grooming session comfortable and precise. Section 3. Benefits and how to use, 5:01 to 8 o'clock. So, how can you make the most of the PHILIPS Norelco Multigroom 9000? It's simple. For the face, use the precision trimmer and adjustable guards to shape and style your beard effortlessly. For the body, the foil shaver and body guards make it easy to trim and groom sensitive areas safely. For the head, achieve a sharp, clean haircut with the various length guards. And with its shower-proof design, you can save time by grooming directly in the shower. Talk about convenience. And there you have it, the PHILIPS Norelco Multigroom 9000, a versatile, reliable, and powerful grooming tool designed to meet all your needs. Whether you're a seasoned grooming enthusiast or just starting out, this trimmer is a worthy investment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and grooming tips.